Now I need to find the value of p here in this question. 625 to the p minus 2 equals 5 to the 1 minus p. Now I need both sides to have the same base, so therefore I'm going to let the base be 5. So I know that the powers of 5 to the first power, that's equal to 5. 5 to the second power, that's equal to 25. 5 to the third power, that's equal to 125, sorry. 125, and that's 5 to the fourth power is equal to 625. So now 5 to the fourth power is 625. So I just replace this 625 with 5 to the fourth power. So that 5 to the fourth power, that's replacing the 625, and all of that now is raised to the power of p minus 2 equals to 5 raised to the power of 1 minus p. That's all I do there. Alright. So now I'm trying to find the value of p, which means that seeing that both sides have the same base now, I look to now work with just the powers, because that's the aim. Get the bases to be the same, and you just work with the powers afterwards. Now in this part we're going to employ the power to power rule that says that if a power, remember this 4 is a power, if a power is raised to another power, we should take the powers and multiply. But remember, this 4 is multiplied by everything here, and multiplied by the entire p minus 2, not just the p. So I'll take 4 and multiply it by everything here. So I'll have 4 open bracket using distributive law, p minus 2 is equal to 1 minus p. Remember that once the bases are the same, I can drop the bases and now work with the powers. Now here's the little equation that I'm trying to solve. So we use the distributive law, multiply positive 4 to positive p, and positive 4 to a negative 2. So it's a positive 4 times positive p, that gives us 4p. Now positive 4 to a negative 2, positive multiplied by negative, that gives us a negative 4 times 2, that's 8, equals 1 minus p. Now I need to get p to one side. So what I'll do, I'll move this negative p over by adding p. So I'll have 4p plus p minus 8 equals 1 minus p plus p. Remember that in order to balance something, I need to do the opposite to both sides. So I'm adding p here to get rid of the negative p, and what I do to one side to get rid of it, I do to the other side as well. So here I'll have 5p, because remember that this is a coefficient of 1, so 4 plus 1, 5. Remember that we don't change the powers of the variables when we're adding. Alright, so 5p minus 8 equals 1. Now this negative p plus p now, that now will cancel off. Because remember, negative 1 plus 1, that's 0, so it has been cancelled. Now I'm trying to find p here, so I need to know, get rid of this negative 8, which is to add 8 on both sides. So I have 5p minus 8 plus 8 equals 1 plus 8. My apologies, 1 plus 8. So now I have, now look at this now, negative 8 plus 8, that's 0. So this now will cancel, so I'll be left with 5p equals 1 plus 8, that's 9. Now p, if I want to find p, I'll have to divide both sides by p. Why? Because p now has been multiplied by 5. So therefore, now to do that, I have to do the opposite of multiplication, which is divide. So 5p over 5 equals 9 over 5. P's will cancel, so that p therefore is equal to 9 over 5. And that's how I get that.